Yo, hey guys, what is up? It's JJ Tech here, back again for another brand new video, and especially a brand new earbud video. Yes guys, you guys heard me, a brand new earbud video, because today I'm going to be unboxing these bad boys right here, the Soundcore Live P2 wireless earbuds. Now you may have heard of this brand already on the channel, because for all you older subscribers that have watched that video, you guys know what I'm talking about. When I did unbox these bad boys, these Soundcore Liberty Neo earbuds, and yeah, it's the same brand, but these are way newer and they have a new design. Now these aren't really related to the Live P2s, because not sure if you can tell, but these kind of resemble AirPods where they have like the stem sticking out, and these are more traditional, I guess you can say, and kind of resemble like traditional wireless earbuds, that kind of sport design. So I was browsing through Amazon, like I usually always do, trying to find some ideas, maybe a new product for the channel, and I came across these bad boys. Now these right here, the reason I got them in white, because these aren't actually mine. These are actually going to be my mom's. Because of course I would have gotten them in black, but my mom wanted them in gold. Not sure if you can see here. You're probably thinking, where the heck is gold at? Well, once I get these out of the box, you'll see clearly more. But as you can see here, there's like these gold accents on the actual earbud, but of course the actual earbud housing is white. But yeah, back to what I was saying. Yeah, these earbuds are my mom's, they're not mine, but of course I had to do an unboxing video of these bad boys. I had to check them out, and these bad boys retails for 50 bucks on Amazon. Now if you do get the black ones, they are 10 bucks cheaper at 40 bucks. I know it's kind of crazy how they charge 10 bucks more for a color change. It makes no sense to me, but hey, they're still pretty cheap, 50 to 40 bucks. Let's see what we're going to get. I actually have some high expectations for these, just because the Soundcore Liberty Neos that I have honestly sound phenomenal for the price. And those cost 40 bucks, which are even cheaper than these. So yeah, I was getting a little aggressive while trying to take off the tape off this box, but hey, we're finally going to be able to crack this thing open. And I'm very excited about these, just because these, for the same price as my Liberty Neos that I own, which are 40 to 50 bucks, I get double the battery life on these bad boys, at least as it's advertised. Of course I have to test these out myself, but on paper these claim to have way more battery life than those. So yeah, let's finally crack these bad boys open. And also something else that I'm very excited about is that these bad boys have USB-C, as opposed to the Neos, which have micro USB. I don't really care that much, but it's cool to have something a little bit more modern that it charges with. So guys, as I was opening this thing, the case actually flew out and hit the ground, but luckily there's no dents or scuffs on it, because it had this plastic covering over it. But yeah, taking the case out, which so far the case is actually a little bit bigger, so we'll get to that. And then of course we have our boring manuals here. I mean, look how thick that is. I mean, come on now. And then we have our USB cable here, nicely wrapped in this Velcro. Wow, okay. I'm liking it so far. And we do have our changeable ear tips here. I know you guys can't really see it, because I mean, since the ear tips are white and the case of this thing is white, you can't even tell that these are here. But look, you have a bunch of options. And that's pretty much it, guys. That's pretty much it in the box. Of course, we are here for this. I'm obviously guessing that, the earbuds are in here. Let's open these up, and let's take these out. So I finally get it out of that plastic wrapping here, and first impressions on the design. These bad boys look pretty elegant. Now comparing the case size to my Liberty Neos, they are just a tad bit larger, but not as thick. My Liberty Neo case, actually, you know what, now that I'm looking at it, they're about the same thickness, but pretty much in every dimension these bad boys are smaller than the Liberty Neo case. But we can't judge quite yet. But look at this USB-C port. So popping this thing open, very sturdy, a little plasticky, but you gotta remember the price. Now popping these open, as you can see here, these are the earbuds themselves. Let me pop out the other one. Look at these bad boys. Look at that, guys. Wow. Like I said, there's a lot of manufacturers trying to copy the kind of the design of AirPods, and a lot of them always seem to be very bulky. But first impressions, these look almost about the same size as AirPods, not the AirPods Pro, but AirPods, maybe just a little bit longer, the stem. But hey, so far so good. And we do have a button just like the Liberty Neos on each earbud, and guessing that's obviously for your media, your playback, play and pause, skip a track, stuff like that. Now I know I keep comparing these to the Liberty Neos, but I'm gonna say no more just because this is only the unboxing video and my first impressions. I will be doing a review as well as a comparison against the Liberty Neo, so stay tuned, turn on that bell so you can get notified whenever I upload those videos. And yeah guys, that's pretty much it for today's video. Let me know what do you guys think of these earbuds so far off of just unboxing them. Like I said, I haven't tested out the sound quality or none of that. And yeah guys, that's pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. YouTube shorts are coming very, very soon, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Peace out.